Page 18, mid ox and ass, as in donkey or mule. 4/4 time with a pickup beat, so it starts on beat 4. See, the first measure is 1 count in it, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty much all melody until you get to the end. And at the end, the left hand has the melody and the right hand has to play soft. If you can. Rhythm wise, it's got a few things going on in rhythm. First line's not bad, it's quarter notes and half notes. Second line's got a little bit of eighth notes going on, and it looks ugly because when they split the eighth notes between two stabs, they beam them like this. They could have put the middle C in the upper staff, but they want the left hand to play it, so they put it in the lower staff so to encourage you to use the left hand. Don't have to, you can play it with the right hand. That's what it is. They just want you to use this position, and the left hand's covering middle C, so they want middle C to you. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then the last line, second measure, they're all eighth notes, and it's going back and forth between the hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Just make them all even. No glitches, no hesitations, no nothing. And then don't have a lot to say on this. This is pretty straightforward. It says quickly. I don't know how quickly is. I'm not familiar with this particular Christmas piece. If you are, that's great. As far as soft goes, that's an opinion. That's just you decide how loud or soft you want to play it. But that's melody, so. So you'll decide. But when you're picking a speed, look at the eighth notes to see how fast you want to take those, and then you'll take the rest of it at that speed. So it's like take the last line. Second measure, how fast do you want to play that one? Too fast? Still too fast? It's a little better. Well, that would be the speed you would go. So 1 and 2 and 3, and that would give you 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, because the whole piece has to be at one speed. Don't play this part up here this fast, and then when you get to the bottom there and to the eighth notes, and suddenly you have to slow it down. It's like don't. A lot of beginners do that, and please don't do that. The whole piece needs to be at one steady speed throughout. So let's play it together and just see what happens. Now, there is a retardando there in the last couple measures, so you can slow it down. But I'll let you do that on your own, because when we play with a metronome, I can't slow down. Give us 3 counts because there's a pickup beat. So the left hand's here and the right hand's here. Okay. 1, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 2 tie, 2, 3 off.